Alright everybody, it's Saturday, May 29th, 2021. I'm going to show you the different stages that we have of our growing that we have. So this first step, this is like my incubation room. This, right now we still have honeydew. So it's closed cover, can't see anything, it's not popped yet. Then after we pop, we vent them. Come over here. We have eggplant, cucumber, and cayenne pepper. Here, we've got our fan set up in our room. We've got our basil, kale, the moringa. It's doing awesome. Endive. Green peppers. These, next step is we get our little pots, and we can adjust our lights up here if we want. These are all inside, so we have a very nice constant temperature. And everything else we have is outside. Let's go look. Outside, 60 degrees, humidity's at 70%. Got our markdown plants. Wood sorrel. You can see wood sorrel because it's like little hearts. It's got a really neat lemon flavor. Hostas, my morning glories to come back. Sage is absolutely beautiful. My question is, can I cut that? Brian? Mint, parsley, hyssop, sage. Beautiful, beautiful sage. Oregano, cicada, lemon balm, chamomile. My roses are beautiful, beautiful. Mystery plant, justaberry. These roses over here bloomed. Absolutely just fantastic, beautiful. More roses. This is wild lettuce. There's a video last year. See if I can link it. It's got hairs. There's no thorns. It's soft little hairs. And what you do, just go up in here. And it's going to have white sap coming out from it. But it's not ready yet. This is our goji berry plant. Rosemary, lemon balm, and sage. My onion is coming to bloom. We have lots of seeds, but there's a cicada on it. Fennel. We have mustard plants. Along here we have, this is clematis. I didn't know what it was. Sister Golden Hair is awesome. But we gotta make sure it doesn't climb on other plants. But it's absolutely beautiful. You do not prune this. And every year it gets bigger. I didn't prune it last year. It's gorgeous. Our collards. Our view. White puffy clouds. Let's go inside. Alrighty, in our garage. Got some tomato plants. Doing good. This is the only one that I have. These were gifted. Some cuttings that are not popped yet. Parsley, more sage. Zucchini and squash. Doing really good. And more mustard. Peas down here. Yeah. Here's our temperatures. A little bit more controlled. Got down to 43 last night outside. So it was a very good thing that they stayed in the greenhouse. Next place is our garden. There we go. Alright, here we go. 36 feet long. That's Raven. By 50. We have our mustard green plant from last year, blooming. This is all spearmint. That's 3 years old, and it is absolutely huge. Tons of maple trees. That over in there, this is oregano. There's 1, 2, 3 bushes. Oh, there's a frog. Right there. Loves to eat my bugs. This is my rhubarb. I have not cut it, but look at all these seeds. Should I wait and do seed giveaways for rhubarb? Got our fence up. Flags for different places. Strawberry plants. These are all Indian berries, and they do need picked. Wild berries, wild berries. Wild berries. Where's the real strawberry? This patch is 3 years old. We started it in 2018. Wild strawberries have a different, they have yellow flowers. Real strawberries have white flowers. And you can see right in, there's lots of strawberries. Lots of red berries. All kinds. So awesome. Here is more area, more planting. Be careful, Raven. They're potatoes, Yukon Golds. And look, you can see right here, that's a tree. That is going to be the start of some potatoes. Come on, watch out, bud. Oh, look! Got one little right one there. Look at this one. Oh, potatoes! Don't eat the potatoes! Come on! Come on! And then these are purple, or blue Adirondack. Little ones. It's going to be chilly tonight. Let's just cover it up. Awesome. Look at that. A bit warm. Awesome. There's our tour. Raven, be good. These are our collard plants from last year. It gets down to 43 tonight, so we are not going to plant until next week here in Hoosierville. And we have one last thing. We have our pallets that we simply did 2 hinges to, and we're going to be able to grow on it, and then underneath it put more shaded plants. Our volunteer cucumber that's doing great, all tomatoes in the compost doing great, and our volunteer dill also. These are baby trees that we don't want growing because they'll suck the nutrients out of the soil. Anyway, beautiful times, beautiful days. Peonies are in bloom. Daylilies are going to be coming out very soon. Chilly, but it's okay. Check that out. Little lilies, daylilies, and cicadas. It's a beautiful time. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Have you seen these things before? They're awesome. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're doing a bonus of cicadas because this is disgusting. Absolutely infested on my daylilies. Everywhere you look, and their little carcasses are everywhere. It's so gross. Oh look, that one just did its thing because it's white.